Thank you so much for joining us here at Big Mix Farm. My name is Hamza Rubama, and today I am here. You guess what this is? I don't know if you have been to a garden or to a farm in a village and seen what this can be looking like. These are not watermelons. These are not big pumpkins. They're just simple orange pumpkins from Uganda. Why am I talking about pumpkins today? We all have some spaces, we have some land, and we leave it bare. Sometimes we say it is very expensive to farm some things. This is not as expensive as you may think. Go to Nakasero market, buy a kilo of pumpkins, which can even plant over 10 acres. A kilo of pumpkin seeds is just 30,000. So me, I bought a quarter, and the quarter didn't even get done. I planted some of these pumpkins on just 1 acre. Trust me, I'll be flying away with a minimum of 1.5 million. So you can do this wherever you are. You can do this from wherever you are. You can try this out. Grow pumpkins, give them some damp, give them some can, give them some little chicken droppings on the start as you make the holes. Then later on, let them be. Remove the weeds. Make sure you also put fly traps so that you can prevent the yellow or the flowers from being affected by those small plants. Now this one can easily fly off because the ants are already affecting it. As you can see, there are some small ants in here. So to avoid these ants, we have to put fly traps. We don't need to spray a lot. When you overspray, you'll end up affecting the fruits. So better you get the fly traps so that the flies cannot come onto the fruit we are bearing as pumpkins. So with this, you can have so many pumpkins. As you can see, every yellow part you see is a pumpkin flowering. Every yellow you see is a pumpkin. So check this out. There is a pumpkin right here. There is a pumpkin right there. There is a pumpkin right here. There is a pumpkin right here. Pumpkin is coming. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is loading. Pumpkin. These are some of the simple things we can do as Ugandans. Pumpkin is one of the foods that we need on our table. It can beef up on the food. It can minimize the cost of food in our homesteads and even in the markets. So try out the pumpkins. Pumpkins have a very wide variety of uses for the babies, for the children, pumpkin flour, pumpkin porridge. Kids can enjoy all that. I'm still Hamza Rubama. I don't want you to stay broke. Try this out. You'll get some money from your bare land that you have left out there that is doing nothing. Put that land out to use, give it out, or you too can do this and put some pumpkins on your land and you make some money. Catch you next time. Keep it here at Big Mix Farm.